Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is a blind reaction video. I've been tagged in a couple of new reaction videos where people have been doing my wolf cut, and this one is from Tina and ENGEO. Tina ENGEO. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'll put the video in the description so you guys can check it out as well. But it says easy wolf cut at home, DIY wolf cut brackets Paul Watts hair guide bracket. So yeah, I'm watching it with you guys. I've been tagged in two. There's another one which is DIY wolf cut, easy wolf cut on a wig, followed the Paul Watts, and that's all I've got at the minute because it's just ready to go on the playlist so I can bring you these reactions. So yeah, I just want to say again, thank you so much everyone who is subscribing. We've just hit 30k. On the road to 31. Who knows what we'll hit at Christmas. I did put a poll out for you guys just to sort of, what do you predict, and I put sort of like 35, 40 or 50, and you're all saying 50k. So I mean, if I hit 50k at Christmas, it's all down to you. So thank you so much for hitting that red button, liking all the videos and commenting, and basically pushing my videos further and further to people so they can all see them and watch them, because that is how the YouTube algorithm works. You comment, you like, you subscribe, the video goes further, goes further for all you guys to watch it and find me. And yeah, all you guys from Pretty Pastel Please, you've been tagging me in her newest one where she mixes loads of vivids together. I will get that one reacted to as well. So I've just seen these being tagged in these, so I want to see what they're doing with my wolf cut on themselves. Let's have a look. Let's see what Tina gets up to.
Hi guys, it is time for another chop, and this time I'm going to be attempting, keyword, to do the wolf cut. If you don't know what a wolf cut is, it is a combination between a shag haircut and a mullet. I know, it sounds a little bit scary, but my hair just grows so fast, so I just want to freshen it up, but I don't really want to jeopardize the length because I'm trying to grow my hair but like keep it fresh. So I'm going to be following this tutorial right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you guys can send him lots and lots of love.
Thank you.
Or maybe not, depending how this goes right now. But I feel like it's time to just freshen up. So let's do this. Have you guys seen people like just put their hair in a ponytail and then just flip it over, cut it, and then you get layers? Well, I'm gonna do that, but with two ponies. Like a damn unicorn. But I feel like a shag and a wolf cut is kind of like the same. I feel like a wolf cut is just a little bit more like edgy and a little bit more... Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so thank you, Tina, for putting my video in the description. If any of Tina's followers are watching this now, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to welcome you to the channel, to Hair Channel. But yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen. I'm quite excited to see. So she's got gorgeous hair as well. Jeez, lovely.
Brad Mondo's guide is also great, but I feel like I want something a little bit more dramatic, so I'm gonna go with this tutorial right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in like a half ponytail, but kind of like pull it to the front. So he put the ponytail like right here. It shouldn't be like in front and it shouldn't be too far in the back.
I'm just podcasting in. Just
That's it.
Okay, so in the video he cut off this much. I don't think I have the cojones to do that. So I'm gonna go with like by my nose.
Yeah.
Go by my nose.
You can do whatever.
I think I'm gonna put a hair tie just to like make it less messy. He didn't do that in the video, but I'm gonna do that because I'm messy. I'm gonna pull that down to like my nose.
Cool.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm contemplating on whether I should cut from here or here. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it under the hair tie.
These are so cool. Everyone doing these haircuts, it's so cool to see. It's a lot of hair.
Shit. Okay. It is gone.
That's a lot.
And now I'm gonna take this section right here. Oh.
Wow. That's blunt.
So I'm gonna take my hair tie that I have on there and just move it up a little bit just to like have it dangling there. Boop. Separate it and kind of like just do this.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be like completely blunt and crazy, so.
God, hair's so healthy. That blunt edge, you don't get that with unhealthy hair. That is lovely.
When I decide to cut my hair, I feel like I go into this with confidence and, you know, I'm like, you know, I can fix whatever the issue is, but this is so hard. Like, I can't see what I'm about to fix. Okay, so this part I'm a little bit nervous about because I don't want to cut a lot of the length. I'm gonna take one like section out. So like this is the longest strand. So as long as I don't cut it like beneath that, it won't be shorter than expected. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yeah.
So previously I chopped like this much off, so I'm guessing I'm gonna chop this much off to make it even. And if I pull it up together with this,
maintains length.
it should be okay.
Yeah.
Blunt cut. Oh, it's so satisfying to cut hair. It just feels like fresh. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no, he cut it upwards. I'm not supposed to put it in the front like that. I'm gonna put it all the way up. Oh, okay, it was kind of like a blunt cut. Oh my god, I'm squatting right now. Okay. Blunt cut this.
You're cutting more off.
If you guys can see what's going on down here, you will be entertained, let me tell you. Okay, great. My mirror's over there, so this video is not as calming as I expected it to be. This is not a tutorial. I'm just doing stupid shit to my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna whoop.
Texturize.
Hey, the moment of truth, you guys. I'm gonna
Let's see.
take this out. I panicked for a second because I was like, oh no, these are so long. And then I was like touching them in the back and I got kind of like panicky. I was like, no, it's short. But then I was like, oh yeah, I was supposed to have layers. So yeah, okay, so far so okay. Now this part is the scary part, really.
I bet it's going to look so good. Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. So these are the short layers right here.
Wow.
You can kind of see them like falling down really nicely. And they're not really, I don't feel like it's blunt. How the f did that happen? That's great! I love that. Did that just automatically happen? Like I said, I have straight hair, so it won't be as visible now, but I'm so excited to style it later on. But before we do that, I am just gonna show you guys in the back because I know from last video, you guys were curious. Ooh!
Wow. It looks so good.
That looks, look at that. Look at the layers right there.
Look at that texture in there. That is so nice.
Pretty okay. Now I'm gonna give myself some bangs. And I have done this before. Okay, this triangle is good enough. Okay, I'm gonna cut this right like below my nose. Oh. Shit. Should. And now I'm just gonna kind of thin it out and get a little bit cute. Just a little bit. I got them a little bit too short. They got a little bit too short. Damn, I was confident on this until now. Ooh, I feel kind of like rock and roll-ish. Okay, because everything is like pin straight, you probably can't really see the potential, I think. So I'm just gonna style my hair real quick and then we'll see the real results.
It looks so good. I mean, her hair is super straight, so healthy. That is what a healthy haircut looks like. I mean, taking off what? That? Taking off all that tapered out edges, the old porous ends, the old split ends. It just looks incredible. So, yeah, I can't wait to see it styled. Oh my God. It looks so good. Wow.
I think this is going to be prettier tomorrow when the curls have settled down a little bit and it kind of looks like, you know, hair that you just
lived in.
Slept in. But I'm not liking my bangs. Like, what the hell? Alright, so I guess this is the final result. I don't see that much of a difference. I don't really know how to style a shag or a wolf cut yet. I kind of feel like a rock star. Kind of like a polished rock star right now. So that you guys can see. Nothing about the length is different, really. It just feels a lot fresher. I like it.
It looks so good. That's so nice. Is that the end of the video? Oh no, we've still got a bit.
Okay, so this is the next day. I've washed my hair and I've kind of let it air dry because I want to style it in a different way. I won't be doing lots of curls. I'm thinking of kind of like bends, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna style it as if I'm doing a blowout at the salon. Just kind of do something like that.
It still looks lovely, like just air dried. All that texture in there. But this is gonna look so nice.
Oh yeah, if you guys are wondering about the spots in my hair, it's because I dyed my hair black again, of course, and kind of missed some spots. Well, not missed them, but I guess it didn't really penetrate all of my hair, so some spots are a little bit lighter. Ooh, okay. You know when you do your hair and at the ends it's like, yeah, I'm not feeling that on my hair at the moment, so that's really nice. I love this.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like the lighting yesterday was pretty bad as well, so I just wanted to give you guys another look at this, I guess. In hindsight, I feel like I should have just let my bangs be and do like a really long curtain bangs, but I kind of wanted to go like out of my comfort zone, and I feel like I am definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone. This side looks pretty nice, so I'm not mad at that at all. But this side, why? Why? Some hair oil. Okay, so I would say this is more like a subtle look. Okay, I kind of just rolled my top down a little bit so you guys can see. But this is the result. I would say this is the final result. I should have kept my bangs as they were so that I can have longer curtain bangs, but you know what? It is okay. They will grow out so fast. I am loving the layers. I felt like the layers are really even on both sides, even though it's a little bit harder to style on this side. It's always harder to style on this side for me, but I feel like the layers are beautiful. I feel like my hair has a little bit more shine, life, depth into it than just like pin straight. So anyways, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and good luck with your wolf haircut if you dare. I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I respond to every single comment. I hope you
Right, some tips for you in a minute. I just want to check out some of the comments and see what is being said. There's always this comment on most videos. It's like, this is not a tutorial. Is that what it says? Oh, don't get that. But it says, me at 3 AM, okay, I'm going to do it. Yeah, like a load of my videos, it's always talking about 3 AM. People, like, that's when they decide to do their hair. But what are they saying? His videos, oh, terrific. Oh, thank you, Millie. His new wolf cut for curly hair is so fab. Oh, amazing. Oh, I'm going to comment on some of these comments on this video. See what they say. Damn, this is so good. It looks so good. You can pull off any haircut. Yeah. I love it so much. Yeah, right. Professional side. So the reason I did the ponytail haircuts was to help hairdressers basically understand that elevating, what Tina wants to do was keep the length at the back. So elevating all that hair up was going to maintain that length round the perimeter, round the back, where clients want to keep length. So if we're elevating up, because if we layer anything below sort of that to the ceiling point, that 90 degree or 180 degree sort of thing, where we take it right up, anything below that, we're going to start removing a lot more weight, a lot more length, depending on how we layer. So that's why I brought these videos. And I've got a mullet one, I've got a shag one, I've got a bob one. The bob one is my favourite, but it's doing the worst out of all of them. Maybe because it does not like bang on trend right now. Although I'm doing a trend video after this, and blunt bobs, the fringe that Tina had, that sort of wispy fringe. What's her name? Camilla Cabello? Have I just butchered her name? A singer. She's got one at the minute and it was so good. Big trend for next year. So one of my videos I'm filming after this today is hair trends for 2022. But I think it was fab. Big tip for where she was blow drying on the right hand side, I think it was, unless the camera was flipped, where she couldn't sort of do this. Reason for it is, I think she was right-handed. Was she right-handed? But she was able to sort of curl that around. And then this side, where you're trying to curl that around, thanks Emma, where you're trying to curl that around, you can't, because your hand doesn't go that way. Whereas here, you can bend and you can move your elbow. Here, you can't do it. So change hands. Just get used to the sort of the process, the method, the technique of doing that, and you'll replicate both sides. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but you can do it if you practice. But I just want to say thank you, Tina, for doing it. It looked absolutely stunning. And if you went to a salon, I wouldn't be doing a ponytail. I would be taking it, elevating all up to a reference point, to my guideline, and we would bring it all the way up and we'd cut it. I wouldn't cut it in a ponytail. This was just to show people, like I said, hairdressers, just to understand. New hairdressers. It was a big question that I got from people that were saying, oh, whenever I do a haircut or do layers, I'm losing length, I'm losing density around the perimeter. What am I doing wrong? So this is why I started to do these ponytail haircuts, just to give you a real simple understanding, breakdown of where hair travels to. When we cut it, what happens? But this wolf cut's sort of gone crazy. And thank you for everyone watching it, commenting on it, subscribing, like I said. And thank you if you've got all the way to the end of this video. Go and subscribe to Tina. Her content looks really good. I'm going to have a look now. Thank you for subscribing to me. And until next time, which is another reaction to a wolf cut, like I said at the beginning, to a wig. To a wig. I'm looking forward to seeing that one. I don't know if she wears the wig all the time or... But yeah, this is my reaction. I haven't watched any of them yet. I just got tagged in it, so I thought I'll come up, react to them, bring you them. So if you're enjoying it, let me know in the comments down below. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.